Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to add new members on Instagram group chat. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Click on the messenger icon from the top right corner. Select the group that you want to add members to. Tap on the info icon at the top right corner of your group chat screen. Scroll down and tap on the Add People option. Choose the users you want to add. Then, tap on Done from the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on OK. And you will successfully add new members to your group chat. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and you're able to add new members to the Instagram group chat. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.